How to make Google Form not require sign in. In today's video, we're going to show you how to make your Google Form not require sign in. This way, anyone can fill out your form without needing to log into a Google account. So let's get started. First, head over to forms.google.com and open the form you've created or are working on. Tap on the top left corner of the screen and simply go to the form that you want to edit. For example, let's tap one of the form that you have created. Once you've done that, tap on the three dots and simply tap on open in new window. From here you can see three tabs, that is question, response and settings. Go to the settings tab and simply tap on responses. From here, as you can see, collect email address, we have simply tapped on do not collect. Now scroll down a little more and you can find an option that says require sign in. As you can see, limit to one response. Simply toggle that option off and no one will be required to sign in to simply fill the Google Forms. And that's it. That's how you can successfully make your Google Form not require sign in.